is being able to see that there is light despite of all the darkness. These wise words were spoken by Nobel Peace Prize laureate Desmond Tutu. A very warm good morning and namaste to one and all. Today, 1st of June 2021, we are at the beginning of our newest academic year of 2021-22. The past year was a very significant year which brought many new changes to both our inner and outer being. Even when the events of the past year were very much unfortunate and played its part in lowering the morals of everyone, it couldn't get in the way of lowering the spirits of a new academic year. We, as a school, outdid our own expectations which we had at the beginning and emerged strongly and united throughout the whole of the last academic year. Even when the virtual classroom couldn't entirely replicate an actual classroom, it did play its part in maintaining the very much necessary social contact and academic spirit. We celebrated every events and festivities just as we would have if we had the chance to be together in person, and that itself is a huge achievement of its own considering the virtual platform it was held in. But most importantly, we were able to conduct online classes with great success. Last year taught us that even when unfortunate events cloud, the light of education will always find its way to shine. We once again proved to ourselves that unity and coordination will always lead to better being and harmony even in the toughest of times. Today, we are commencing our newest academic year in the virtual mode with great enthusiasm and even greater hope for the future. Every morning brings us new words, new thoughts, new strength, and endless possibilities. And to bless today's morning, let me call upon the school choir for the prayer.
Nanmayagunna Kandi kanuvan Kannina kename Nallavakkinte Sheelu cholluvan Navina kename സ്നേഹമാകുന്ന ഗീതമോ എൻ്റെ കാതിനിണയാകണേ സത്യമെന്നുള്ള ശീലമോടെ ഞാൻ ശാന്തിയറിയണമേ ജന്മബന്ധുവായിടണേ ജാതിഭേദങ്ങളെന്ന ശാപമോ ദൂരെ മറയണമേ ലോകമൊന്നെന്ന പാഠമെന്നുമെൻ മനസ്സിലെഴുതേണമേ ലോകമൊന്നെന്ന പാഠമെന്നുമെൻ മനസ്സിലെഴുതേണമേ ലോക സമസ്ത സുഖിനോ ഭവന്തു ലോക സമസ്ത സുഖിനോ ഭവന്തു ലോക സമസ്ത സുഖിനോ ഭവന്തു.
Now, let me call upon Hridya KP of Class 12 for the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Hridya. It is my pleasure to call our beloved principal, Suresh sir, to address the students on this reopening day of academic year 2021-22.
Dear students, Namaste and good morning to all of you. At the very beginning, I would like to wish all of you a happy and a fruitful new academic year 2021-22. The previous academic year 2020-21 was like never before. The pandemic and the connected new normals changed the way we look at our lives, our actions, even the schooling and the teaching learning process. So you have to be really resilient and stay hopeful in the coming days. Today, I'm not going to speak anything regarding the academics. I really wanted to focus on three aspects of life. One is the health, the other one is happiness, and the third one is the harmony. I really want all of you to be healthy during these days. So how can you be really healthy? Eat good food and sleep really well. Do exercise and try to follow all the COVID-19 protocols, even inside your house. So this is one way to become really healthy. If you are really healthy, you will be happy, no doubt about that. There are other ways to become happy. You can interact with your friends, your family members, your neighbors. That will make you really happy. Once you are happy, there will be harmony at home. You can share your happiness with your parents. You can share your happiness with your friends. You can share your happiness with your neighbors. So naturally there will be harmony in and around. So just focus on these three aspects: health, happiness and harmony. Now when we come back to our school is providing lots and lots of opportunities in the academic front and also in the non-academic areas. I'm requesting all of you to participate in all the programs of the school with the help of your parents. So if you participate, you will think something innovative. You will be really creative. You will be dreaming new things. Do you know? Yesterday's dreams are today's hopes. Today's hopes are tomorrow's achievements. So I really want all of you to dream new things. Now, with this short note, I am stopping my speech. Once again, I wish all of you a happy and a fruitful new academic year. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. In this present world, shrouded by an air of fear and panic, let us hold the torch of education and stride strongly onto the year that lies ahead. Let us all look forward to beginning again with much greater strength and passion. Let me conclude by quoting Emily Dickinson. Hope is that thing with feathers that perches in our soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. I'm once again welcoming you all for celebrating this year ahead with much energy and passion and great vigor and strength. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.